better stop chasing the wrong caramel apple recipe that ain't right. Subscribe to Candy Apple TV to get the perfect caramel apples that walk, talk, and dance. Are your caramel apples coming out with bubbles everywhere, looking translucent, or caramel keeps sliding off your apples? Stop using the wrong caramel apple recipe. Stay tuned because I'm going to show you the caramel apple recipe that helped me make the perfect caramel apples. These are so good. Go ahead and throw away that canned caramel and caramel bits. If you think my candy apple recipe 641 is the best candy apple recipe, wait until you try my best homemade caramel apple recipe to make your caramel apples. Many of us do not like using the candy apple cleaning method to make caramel apples. We would just rather put our Granny Smith apples in the refrigerator and get cold and dip the caramel apples. No, because you're going to get bubbles like this. And the reason why is because nowadays they are just putting way too much wax on apples. You can try to pop your caramel apple bubbles and re-dip your apples in the caramel to avoid the bubbles, but I am here to tell you bubbles are still going to come on your apples. This is why I suggest using the candy apple cleaning method process before making your caramel apples. I don't like to waste my time. I don't even like you guys to waste your time. So to avoid that issue, just go ahead and clean your apples like candy apples. I'm telling you, they are putting way too much wax on these apples. This caramel apple recipe will firm up. Look at that caramel. It firms up really, really well. Let me just show you one more apple because I know many of you are doing this. This is a very cold apple. I am dipping this apple in a perfect caramel apple recipe. But look what happens because there is so much wax on this apple that it looks bumpy. It's not perfect looking. So in order to get the perfect caramel apples, I suggest you go ahead and use the candy apple cleaning method. You can click right here at the top of your screen to learn how to clean your apples. It's a down south thing with these caramel apples. They are so good. So you need 1/4 cup of lemon juice, 2 tablespoons of baking soda, and 1 tablespoon of salt. Bring it to a boil. Dip your apples in the boiling candy apple solution for only 6 seconds, and then you're going to bring it up, dry it off with a paper towel. Repeat the process until you're done. The perfect caramel apple recipe for your caramel apples is melt in 1 cup of butter, add 1 cup of brown sugar, add 1 cup of regular white sugar, add 1 cup of sweetened condensed milk, 1 cup of light corn syrup. I use Karo. 2 teaspoons of vanilla or 1 tablespoon of vanilla. I use Loran's butter vanilla. I just love this versus the store purchased vanilla. I bring my caramel to a boil until it reaches. I want to make sure it's at a soft ball, and that's 230. This is a perfect caramel apple. If you still need help making caramel apples after watching this caramel apple tutorial, click on that link below to schedule your appointment with me 101 and I can help you make your caramel apples.
If this caramel apple tutorial is helpful to you, please let me know down in the comment section.
If you have enjoyed this caramel apple tutorial, make sure you stay tuned to watch my next candy apple tutorials coming up right here on Candy Apple TV. I'll see you in a few seconds over in my next video.